I have another incredible workshop for you. We are going to create a story. And yes, you are going to learn how to craft a story on the editing board by using pictures and video clips maybe that you produce in the future. Or if you don't want to be on that video, you don't have to be because there's a thing called stock video that you too can use here right on CapCut, the platform in which I'm going to teach you how to edit your videos to tell a story or to convey your message that you want to share on the platforms that you choose. You know that you can use these videos in emails, your website, social media. So if you want to start learning more and more about going more in depth into making your videos, go ahead and sign up for this workshop now. Just go ahead and press the button below.